just wanted to show everyone what's going on in the Pocahontas Division. Track cleaning train. 4 track cleaning cars. Up the Helix. I have never seen this happen before, but I wanted to record the moment. So we are cleaning rails on the railroad, and actually it's working. A few videos ago I had a hopper car. Oh! It's just dirty track. Oh, let's go right here. This might be the weight of the cars. It's going. I'm probably going to swap that with a different engine. Ooh. It's almost there. Right, there they go.